Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 2.3. In this question you are given that on dividing this polynomial by a polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainder were this and this respectively. You have to find the gx. For that we know that the formula is dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. In this case, dividend is basically this much. Divisor you have to find. Quotient is this and remainder is this. So first of all, you have to put the value. Before that, this can be understood by a number is 9, quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. You have to find by what number 9 is divided. So for that we can say that this when multiplied by 4 and when added 1 will give 9 obviously. So obviously this is 2 because 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So this should be 2. Or you can say that this 9 which is a dividend should be equals to the divisor which is in this case is x into quotient which is 4 plus 1. So this one when shifted to this side will become 8 and x into 4. So the value of x must be 8 divided by 4 which is 2. So this is the method we use in arithmetic. Similarly we have to use here also. In this case, dividend is basically this much, which is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Divisor you have to find out, which is gx. Quotient in this case is basically this x minus 2 and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So first of all, you have to shift this to this side. So this will become x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and this when shifted to this side, this negative will become positive 2x and this positive will become negative 4, and gx into x minus 2 will remain as it is. Okay, x cube will remain as it is, 3x square will remain as it is, but this plus this will become 3x and 4 minus 2 is minus 2 and gx will be equals g. Okay, after that what you have to do is you have to divide this 8 by 4. So similarly you have to divide this by this to get your answer. So let's divide it. We know that how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. And divide, we have to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So obviously you have to first of all multiply something with x to make x cube. So obviously you have to multiply it with x square, because 1x multiplied by here x square is basically means x multiplied by x. So here x multiplied by x multiplied by x. So 3x are there, so 1x is already here, so you have to multiply it with 2 another x, and after that you have to multiply this with 2, so that will give 2x square. Subtracting, you have to change the sign, positive negative can be cancelled out, plus minus is minus, so this will become minus x square with negative sign because greater value has negative sign. After that I can copy 3x as it is. After that you have to make here x minus x square, so you have to multiply something with x to make it x square. So obviously 1x is already here, you have to multiply it with another x, so x multiplied by x is x square, minus sign because you need minus here, and after that when this is multiplied by this will give plus 2x because minus multiplied by minus is minus. Now you have to change the sign and subtract these, so plus minus can be cancelled out. 3 minus 2 is 1, x and this minus 2 can be copied as it is. Now you have to make again x, so x should be multiplied with 1, so that x into 1 is x, and after that you have to multiply 1 with minus 2, so this will become minus 2, subtracting, this whole can be cancelled out, so the remainder is 0. So obviously this value should be our gx in this case. So this is how you can solve this particular question. Thank you.